Hi, this cat is called Counting Monkeys. What's going on there? You take your son to the forest to see the monkeys. You know that there are a certain number there, but your son is too young to just appreciate the full number. He has to start counting them from 1. So what do we have to do? Well, we have to create a function that takes an integer as an input, and we have to generate a list starting from 1 till the given integer. How to go about that? First of all, I want to generate a list of integers from 1 till 10 with the range function. So for integer in range, and then we have to put in a argument. A mandatory argument will be the stop of the iteration. That would be n, in other words 10. It will start by default with 0, but that's an optional argument. And as a second optional argument, we can give in the steps that we want to take. Let's take a step of 2 and print the integer. As you can see, we generate a list from 0 till the argument, but we skip one number every time. So let's remove this step. And here you will see that we generate a list from 0 till 9. Yeah, but what we need is to actually start with 1. So we have to start with 1, but we have to stop at 10. So we have to add up 1 with the argument. Yeah, that's actually the list that we need. And those integers are appendable to a list. Let's call it monkeys. And from here we can append the integers and return the list. There we go. And of course we can use a list comprehension alternatively. As follows, return empty list, and then basically do the same, integer for integer in the range starting from 1 till the argument plus 1. And that's it. And then we have the same result. Let's take this and test it out. Works like a charm. Hope this has been useful and helpful. Please consider dropping a like if it were. And hope to see you in another video. Ciao.